Want this? Let's start editing. Ready your video clips. First clip duration is 2.8 seconds. Duplicate the video clip and adjust the copied clip to 2.9 seconds. On the first clip, add animation fade in for 0.5 second. Add transition blurred highlight under blur in between the clips. Add the text aura, and use any font. And add text animation, loop emotional loading for 2.9 seconds. Place the text under the first and second clip. Add effect, rebound swing under nightclub. Adjust the speed to 20, size 45, and intensity 5. Second effect, dizzy under light effects. Adjust the size to 20. Place the effects under the first and second clip. Add 2 white photos as the third and fourth clip, and add animation fade out. And add transition blurred highlight under blur in between the second and third clip. For the following clips, add animation in, swing bottom for 0.2 second. Add effect, oblique blur under opening and closing. Adjust, rotate 0, and blur 100. Then add keyframe at the beginning, and at the end, adjust the blur to 0. Now just copy the effect 5 times. Do the same steps on every clip. And when finished, export the project. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel and help others discover this content.